Okay, so let's solve this Math Olympiad question. I'm just rewriting this equation. Okay, this we can rewrite. Now moving root 2 on right hand side, and just we will keep root x on left hand side. Okay, so 2 minus root 2. We will square on both sides. So square on both sides because we need to remove the root from the left hand side. So squaring on both sides will not make any change in this equation. Okay, so when you square root x, it will become x, and this we can square using a minus b whole square. So this becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 2. Okay, so put the value and just apply this formula. So a square is 2 square plus b is root 2 square minus 2ab into 2 into root 2. Simplify it further. So x will equal to 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, and if you multiply 2 into 2, it becomes 4 into root 2. Okay, so this becomes 6 minus 4 root 2. This is the value of x, and it can be done in a very simple way. I have seen many people making it very complicated and solving in a longer time. So this is the value of x. You can solve in 2 minutes. Thank you very much.